Thank you, all of you. I am Khokan on behalf of expert committee has come to you to discuss about mathematics of class 9 and 10. Sir and madam, you know, for a long time our student has not get any lesson of their book. COVID-19 situation has forced them to untouch the lesson. Now the school is open, but our student who has come to our school has not get the lesson properly. In the period of lockdown, they are forced to confine in the four walls of their rooms. Some parents guides their child, but the number of that parents are microscopic. A huge number of students are untouched of their lesson in this period. So, they cannot get any lesson of their classes. Now, the school is open, they has come, but this learning is very much difficult to our student because of their previous knowledge is not filled in. These previous knowledge have to be grow to them, but our student is not able to learn this in their period of lockdown, and they have disinterested about their learning. They immersed in domestic playing, someone is immersed in mobile phone, and these force them to away from the reading or writing. On the other hand, the teachers who wants to learn their student 100%, they cannot able to do this, because we know when we are went to our class, there is a brainstorming in our brain. We want to learn them so that they can be able to learn their lesson heartily. But when we took any chapter or any lesson, we are able to see that our student is not able to get their lesson. When we go to our class, we want to teach our student 100%, but we see that the student are not able to get the lesson for the lack of the previous knowledge of previous class. This lacking is so troublesome to them and also to ours that it is not possible to follow the lesson properly. So, we are in deep trouble. In this situation, in this bad condition of students and teachers, our school education department with the help of expert committee implements a bridge material of mathematics of class 9 and 10. These materials reduces the learning gap, the huge learning gap of the students. For example, if you want to teach profit and loss of class 9, you know it is obvious to learn a student the rule of 3 or percentage, but this lesson were included in class 8 or class 7. So, it is not possible to our student to get knowledge about the profit and loss. In this book, we introduce rule of 3 or percentage or any others in briefly and bridge them to profit and loss. So, for teaching a lesson, the chapter which is needed to them is introduced in this book. And for those lessons first time introduced in class 9 or class 10, for example, trigonometry, we learn there, we discuss the chapter in foundation method. So, when the book has come to you, these help you for learning and to reduce the learning gap of the student. So, this book will obvious for you for the next teaching or learning. And it is also seen that this book contains the questionnaires, questions of different types of class 9 and 10, and 1/4 of this completion of the book, another question has been introduced. So, if we teach the students this book through this book, it will obvious to make up, to reduce the learning gap. Our school education department with the help of expert committee advise you to teach the book first 100 days of the course. In due course, if you think it will take better for learning this book more than 100 days, you can do this. And I hope this book can help the students to take their learning easily. And this is our motto, that we want to reduce the learning gap of the students and also help our teachers to teach the lesson properly and easily. Thank you, all of you. I hope this method, this book will help the students and also you.